probably one of the best chicken fried rice recipe ever. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, chicken fried rice recipe. So my friend, today I will share with you how to make one of the most delicious and tasty fried rice at home in under 10 minutes. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and also subscribe. Chicken fried rice recipe. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Do keep in mind, I will leave a full list on ingredients below. So my friend, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. White onion, carrots, and also a bit of spring onion. So my friend, for this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 pounds of chicken chopped into small slices. And also a bit of ginger and also thyme, which is totally optional. Next, you're going to need mixed veggies. So my friend, to begin marinating my chicken, I'll go ahead with a bit of soy sauce. One tablespoon of cornstarch. And also a pinch of black pepper. For additive taste, there's a pinch or half a tablespoon of brown sugar. Next, just go ahead and just give it a good mix and set it aside. So my friend, it's actually been about 20 minutes since I marinated my chicken. Next, in a heated pot, I'll go ahead with 4 tablespoons of oil and also a bit of chopped garlic. I'll go ahead and saute for a few seconds, then I'll go ahead and add my chicken and start fried for a few minutes. So guys, this looks so delicious. Next, I will go ahead and remove and set it aside for a few minutes. So my friend, next, and using the same pot, I'm going to go ahead with a bit of oil and also chop onion, 2 slices of ginger, and start fry for a few seconds. So my friend, after a few seconds, I will go ahead and add my rice. For this recipe, I'm using a day-old rice. So my friend, when it comes to making a perfect fried rice, you want to thoroughly go ahead and fry your rice. At least 3 or 4 minutes before you add your veggies and other ingredients. So my friend, after a few minutes, this looks amazing. Next, for seasoning, I will go ahead and use fried rice seasoning. Do keep in mind you certainly can use any of your favorite seasoning for this recipe. So my friend, this looks so good. Next, I'll go ahead and add a bit of chopped fresh veggies and just give it a good mix. So my friend, I just want to take this moment to shout out some of my amazing subscribers and also my new subscribers who watches my video each time I upload. As always, thank you guys for watching. So my friend, why don't you give this delicious chicken fried rice recipe a try at home? Makes a perfect weekend dinner. For your convenience, I will go ahead and leave a full list of ingredients below as I mentioned, so you can always check it out. So my friend, this looks amazing. Next, to finish it off, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Then I will go ahead and just give it a good mix. So my friend, when it comes to making tasty fried rice, you definitely want to go ahead and add a pinch of brown sugar to finish it off and just give it a good mix. My friend, this looks so delicious. Next, to finish it off, I will go ahead and add my stir-fried chicken and just give it a good mix. I hope you give this delicious recipe a try and also subscribe for more easy video recipe. So my friend, how easy was that? Well, now you know how to make a delicious chicken fried rice at home in under 10 minutes. I hope you give this recipe a try and also subscribe for more easy video recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Chicken fried rice recipe.